Good morning, guys. Welcome to Mistakes Monday. So for the next couple of weeks I'm planning to put out one of my best and biggest mistakes I've ever made, hopefully teach you something. So first up, it's on the people and growing the culture side of things. So the one thing I've learned over the last couple of years is that there's three types of people: your A's, your B's and your C's. So your A's are the people that absolutely love the lean. They'll go home, they'll do the lean everywhere they go throughout their life. That's lean. And then you've got the B's. They'll do lean in work. If you introduce them to lean, they'll step in, step out kind of things. Then you've got the C's, who absolutely don't want to do lean, don't like change, and it's absolutely not their cup of tea at all. So my biggest mistake and my best mistake to date was spending far too much time with the C's, and then that starved the A's and the B's of the growth and the possibilities that they could achieve. So the secret behind it is if you spend more time with the A's and the B's, one of these C's are then friends with the A's and the B's, and then they drag into the culture and they do an improvement with the A's and B's, and then you've just made a C a B. So hopefully you learn something. Stay tuned.